Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the basic tools that a first-time home buyer will need to have. And again, this is just the basics. This assumes that you have no tools at all, and that's the case for a lot of people. A lot of people grew up in an apartment and they didn't have many tools there anyway, didn't have tools of their own, and now moving out to go buy their first home, they've got nothing and need to buy some basic tools that you need for the first few months or first year that you're living in a home. And so this is for you if you're a potential first-time home buyer. This is also for you if you have someone close to you who is going to buy their first home and you want to get them a gift. And you might help them out buying them a tool that they could really use, and that would be a great thing for them to have. So I'm going to go through again, these are the basics. And don't laugh at the first one. Yes, a hammer. I've actually run into some homeowners that have lived in their homes for a few years and still don't have a hammer. It is absolutely critical, even if you just want to hang a few pictures. That's the first thing that people might do, is just move in, bring their furniture, and they want to hang their pictures. So you'll need a hammer just for that at minimum, okay? So the next thing is tape measure, and don't get one of those little small ones that only open up like this much. Next, basic screwdriver kit. So go find yourself a screwdriver kit. By the way, I'm going to be putting a link down below very soon to my recommended tools link that's part of the Amazon store, and it's going to be the most cost-effective balance of cost effectiveness and quality that I would recommend for first-time home buyers. So again, a screwdriver set, extremely important, a variety mix of different sizes of both flathead and Phillips heads. The next thing is a set of pliers. There are some small inexpensive kits there where you can get some basic pliers in various sizes and needle nose and things like that that will be able to handle many of and most of the basic home repair or first-time home buyer types of repairs that you may encounter. Now, every homeowner should also have one of these, a drill driver. It's going to make your life much easier rather than just use the hand tools all the time. But you do also need the hand tools because not every application is suited for one of these. But this is definitely something that every homeowner should have, and keep your battery charged because you don't want to be in a situation where you need it and it's dead. Now, since you're going to have that drill driver, a small drill bit set, definitely something you want to have. This one is fairly inexpensive and it's got every size you could possibly need for the basic homeowner. And lastly, a level. This one is, I think it's 2 feet, 18 inches or 24 inches, and also a torpedo level. So you can, again, most common thing, like I mentioned before, is hanging pictures, making sure those kinds of little things are level. You can use one of these to get the most accurate reading. And if you've got maybe a little small picture, you don't want to maybe scratch the walls, you can use this plastic torpedo level. Both combined are fairly inexpensive. So again, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description and first pinned comments where you could find some of these things. And again, they are also great gifts. Maybe you're a real estate agent and you want to get your customers who just purchased a home a little gift. And you know, there are some popular gifts out there, like people give them bottles of wine and all that, but maybe something that they'll always remember you by instead of just the hangover they may have tomorrow. Just get them, a couple of these basic tools if they don't have it, and then you can, they'll remember you forever, and maybe think about you when one of their friends is going to buy a home, and they'll see their cordless screwdriver and say, "Oh yeah, I need to tell my friend about this real estate agent that helped me buy my home." So anyway, we're going to do another follow-up video on the next level of tools where we're going to step it up. Now you've had the basic tools. What's the next level? What are the next things you should have? if you are more handy and more hands-on as a homeowner. I'm going to get into those in another video. I appreciate you watching today. Please hit that like button if you felt this was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.